Hello and welcome to SEO for Carrot. All right, making your investing life easier. Big disclaimer, we are not owned by, affiliated with, or promoted by Carrot. We are simply users of the Carrot system. Who are we? All right, my name is Matt Walsh. I am a realtor in Long Island, New York, and in Virginia Beach, Virginia. I'm also an investor. We own a company that buys houses throughout the country, although mostly in New York, Virginia, and in Pennsylvania. And I'm also an SEO specialist. Okay, I've been dabbling in websites and in affiliate marketing for a decade. So let's talk about Carrot for a minute. What is Carrot? Carrot is a website company that caters to the investing world. They're now moving more into agents as well. So they have agent websites and investor agent hybrid websites, but they focus on investors. The websites load super fast. They come preloaded with all sorts of copy that is SEO optimized for real estate investing websites, right? So right out of the box, a Carrot website is great and it converts much better than any other websites out there. Why? Because they've been in the business for about 10 or 15 years at least. I think it's closer to 15 years, and they have tried everything. So they have the perfect website and landing pages that people will convert to. Okay? What is the problem with that though? Well, about 10 or 15 years ago, when you bought a Carrot website and it was pre-filled with all of this copy that is SEO optimized, that's great because there weren't that many people using them. Now, fast forward to 2022, there are thousands and thousands of people using the Carrot system. There are probably a couple of hundred, if not 1,000 or more in every state. What does that mean for you? That means that the copy that you're getting, that you're getting automatically with your Carrot subscription, needs to be changed a little bit. You need to personalize it. Otherwise, this happens. I went just a little while ago and I went into Google and I did a keyword search for, I think, sell my house fast or sell my house quickly, something of that nature. And I looked at a couple of different states. And just right here, cash for your house offer. Cash for your house offer. We help property owners just like you. We help property owners just like you. If you simply don't want to put up with the hassle, do you see where I'm going? One is New York, one is Ohio, all over the country. Okay, if these two businesses were in the same market, it's very possible that a home seller would click and go through a couple of websites and be like, whoa, what is this? All these things are exactly the same. What is this, a scam, right? And then also Google and other websites, but Google is the primary one, right? Won't know what to do because the websites will be virtually identical. You have to change them up. Let's take a look at a few other things here. Okay, trusted and reliable local Cleveland home buyers. Man, this guy is good looking and he's got his coffee, fast closing and is available in as little as 7 days. Oh wow, this guy, he's everywhere. He's in New York. Fast closing available in as little as 7 days. Wow. All right, get where I'm at? So we have a couple of issues here. In the world of SEO, your pictures have to be optimized. We have to change the alt tags. We have to change the names on them, right? That helps the search engines identify the pictures. You don't want your picture to just be IMG, 9243, right? You have to update your pictures. Well, if this is coming from Carrot, that picture here has the same name and title tag as the picture on the other website. So now you see, not only is the copy the same, but now the pictures are the same, right? So if you're in the same market, someone's going to look at this and be like, wow, I just saw this on another website. Come on, what is this? What is this? And Google's going to be like, whoa, what is this? Where do we put it? Why is this website different than another one? Why should one website rank higher than the other for certain keywords? Do you see where I'm going? Let's take a look at this. This is a great house. All right, this is a perfect beat up house that most real estate agents and investors would love to find. We can get a good deal on this. We can fix it up. We can sell it. make it look good. All right, so if your house looks like this, sell it to us directly to Home Cash Advantage. We got this. Oh, wow. That house is in New York, too. That's a perfect New York house. We'll clean the house. You don't need to clean it up. Sell it as is. Great. All right, wow. Where else? This house is in another place in New York. Wow, this house is everywhere. Do you get what I'm saying, okay? Here's what we're talking about. We got to update your websites. This was not an issue. Look at, this is great copy. This is great copy. This is all pre-written for you. It gives you an idea of what you can do, all right? And it was fabulous 12, 13, 14 years ago when there were, maybe one or two people in every state, maybe not somebody in every state. It was spread out over the country. But now everyone is using these sites. Why? Because they work, all right? So don't avoid Carrot because of this, okay? People are doing this because it works. They bring in leads. They bring in the leads like crazy, but you have to do a little bit of work. Oh, here's one more. This house is in Ohio. Look at this. Wow. All right. You don't need to repair the property, but see here, they at least changed the copy a little bit. Let's take a look at this. Move things around. You don't need to clean the property and repair. All right. No need to clean the property and repair the property. Don't waste time finding an agent. Let's take a look over here. Don't waste time finding, they didn't really change up the copy too much. They just moved the picture sideways, right? You got to change this up a little bit. And I'm not talking rewriting it completely, but you have to personalize it. You have to make the words around. So do you need to sell your house in Cincinnati, Ohio, right? So if you were using this picture and you're going to use this, do you need to sell your Cincinnati, Ohio house, right? Just changing up a little bit, and Google will understand that there's a difference and see that it's a different page. Put a different picture in here. Boom. And you've just updated it almost enough to make it look different to a seller and to Google. Okay, so would you like help personalizing your Carrot site? All right, on this new YouTube channel, we are going to go through how to do all of this so you can do it yourself. If you don't want to do it, we can personalize and optimize your Carrot sites for you. And guess what? We provide live coaching for your whole business. Okay, that's a paid service, but we provide live coaching. Every month, we will sit and have live coaching for all things real estate investing, not just SEO. We're talking about, how to find buyers, direct mail, correct business cards, guerrilla cards, all right, how to find, proper contracts, how to use YouTube, billboard cards, how to analyze deals, how to estimate rehab. Okay, we're going to talk about doing Facebook ads and Google ads. This is help for you. This is online, literally live coaching. Okay, everyone needs a coach. I have a coach. I'm part of a mentoring group. I pay a couple of $1,000s a year, and it's the best thing ever. It's people to hold me accountable. But let's say that's not for you. You can still follow this YouTube channel and get just about everything you need to optimize your SEO for Carrot. All right, until next time, have a great day.